Hi guys, how you all are doing? So as I promised, today I will teach you the short trick of converting non-terminating recurring decimal in form of P by Q. So here I am with the short trick. But you should know the basic concept, and for that you can watch my previous video, whose link I have given on I button mentioned above. You can click on that. And if you are a school student, then it's important for you to show the steps to your teacher. Okay? And so without wasting time, let's start. But wait, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then do like, share and subscribe. Okay? To know the short trick for converting non-terminating recurring decimal into fraction, you should be aware of pure and mixed recurring decimals. If you have not watched the video of pure and mixed recurring decimal, then you can click on I button to watch that video. Here I have given some examples of pure and mixed recurring decimal that you can see. After the decimal, if all the digits are repeating, then it is pure, otherwise it is mixed. So let's start. I'm taking the examples of pure recurring decimals first. Let's say first I'm having 0.4 bar. Okay. So as you can see here, only one digit after the decimal is repeating, that is only 4. So what you need to do, just you have to write down in numerator the number without the decimal. That is, here only 4 is here, so I have written 4. Now in denominator you have to write 9. Now how many 9s? You have to write as many as 9s, as many as digits after the decimals are repeating over here. In this case, in this number, you can see only one digit 4 is repeating. So I have mentioned only 1 9 in denominator. And as you cannot solve it further, so that's why it's your answer. Simple. Now, let's take one more example. Let's say I'm having 0.82 bar. Here I'm having bar on both the numbers, both two numbers, 8 and on 2. So, as we have done in previous question, we have to write the number without the decimal in numerator. So here I will write 82 and in denominator I will write 9. Now this time how many 9s I have to write? As you can see, after the decimal there are two digits repeating, 8 and 2. So we have to put 2 9s in denominator. 2 9s will be in denominator. Again, you can see that it cannot be solved further, 82 and 99. It cannot be simplified further, so we can say that this is our answer. Okay, let's try by yourself. I'm giving you a question. It's 0. Let's say 25 and bar on both the numbers. Okay, you have to try by yourself and comment me on comment box your answer. Now, how to convert mixed recurring decimal into fraction? It's also easy but a bit different from the previous one. So here I'm having an example, 0.36 and bar on 6 only. Okay, here why it is mixed form? Because here bar is only on 6, not on 3. Okay, so to convert it into the fraction, what you need to do, just write down the number as we have done in previous question, as it is 36. But you have to subtract here which number? Which is not repeating. Like in this number, digit 3 is not repeating itself. So we have to subtract this 3 from 36. And in denominator, we have to write 9 according to the numbers which are repeating. Means as many as digits are repeating this number, that many 9 we have to put in denominator. And as many as digits are not repeating in this number, like here only one digit 3 is not repeating, so that many number of zeros we have to put. Okay, that many number of zeros we have to put after the 9. Okay, so then we will solve it. So 36 minus 3 will be 33 divided by 90. So it become, you have to simplify it and it become 11 by 30. And that's your answer. That's your answer. Okay, let a quick revision of this method. In mixed number, you have to write the whole number 36 as it is, and you have to write the number which is not repeating itself over here. You have to subtract that number. Like here only 3 is not repeating, so we have to subtract. So we have to subtract this 3 So we have to subtract this 3 from this whole 36 number. So that is a part of your numerator. Now come to the denominator. In denominator, you have to write 9 as we have done in previous question according to the digits which are repeating. So here only one digit 6. Only this digit is repeating. So there is only one digit which is repeating. So that's why 9. And after that you have to put as many as 0, as many as digits are not repeating in given number. So in this number you can see only one digit 3. After the decimal is there which is not repeating. So we have to put 10. And that's why and you have to solve this one. So it becomes 33 by 90 and simplify it, you will get 11 by 30. That will be your answer. Hope it is clear. Now let's take one more example. Let's say I'm having 0.64 and bar on 3 only. Fine. So as we have done in previous question, what we have to do in numerator part, we will write 643 and we will subtract the numbers, the digits which are not repeating. So here we can see 64 is not repeating. So we will subtract 64 from this number. And in denominator, you can see there is only one digit, this digit. Only one digit is repeating. So we will put 19 in denominator and then we have to put zeros according to the digits which are not repeating. So you can see 1 and 2. Two digits are not repeating. So we will put 2 zeros after 9 in denominator. And then we will simplify it. We will solve it. It will become 579 upon 900. And just simplify it. It will be 193 upon 300. Can we solve it further? No. That means this will be your answer. Hope it is clear to everyone. You just try one more question. Okay. Let's say I'm having a number 3.52 and bar on 2 only. Now how to do it? You know that 3.52 bar, it can be written 3 plus 0.52 and bar on 2. We can write it like this. Okay. Now, this 3 will remain as it is. Okay. You don't have to touch this number. And you have to solve this only. In the same manner as we have done the previous question. So, how to do it? We will write 3 plus, here we will write in numerator 52 minus 5. Okay, 52 as it is the whole number and we will subtracting 5 because only one digit, that is 5 here, which is not repeating. Now in denominator, as only one digit is repeating, so we will put 19 and after 9 we have to put the zeros according to the non-repeating digits. So there is only one digit which is not repeating, that is 5. So we will put 10. Okay, and now we have to solve it. 3, just a minute, it will be 3 plus 52 minus 5 will be 47 upon 90. So it will become 3 whole 47 by 90, as we cannot solve 47 by 90 further. And now that will be your answer. Okay, so you can see how simple it is. Now I'm giving you one question so that you can try by yourself. Okay, so this is the question for you. 0.15 and bar on 8. And this is the first question. One more question for you. 0.1, sorry, not 0, this time 2.158 and bar on 8. Try these two questions by yourself. Okay.